Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, how UST complexes solve traffic jams in megacities. UST technology presented at BRICS International Municipal Forum. The most in-demand specialties for the development of UST complexes have been named. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. Study of traffic indicators for 2023 shows that road congestion continues to increase. And along with this, the amount of time cars spend stuck in traffic jams has also increased. Solutions of UST Incorporated ensure fast, comfortable, and uninterrupted transportation of people. Unimobiles will take passengers to any point in the city in a matter of minutes, avoiding traffic jams, accidents, and not creating problems with traffic and parking. When used everywhere, UST transport infrastructure complexes can significantly relieve the traffic congestion on the highways of megacities and solve the problem of traffic jams. Read the article to find out how this will happen. Media Center of UST Incorporated shares details of how the 6th International Municipal Forum of the BRICS countries 2024 is taking place. UST Incorporated is taking part in this large-scale event. The company has proposed a comprehensive approach to the development of the association's territories. Today, UST Incorporated employs over 1,000 specialists of various profiles: engineers, designers, architects, designers, technologists, logisticians, builders, economists, and others. The team shared which specialties the organization is most interested in. Among them are mechanics and mathematical modeling, design and production of products from composite materials, and 10 more relevant specialties. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.